How to create WhatsApp business account. WhatsApp business account can be helpful to run your business efficiently and connect with your customers easily. To create your WhatsApp business account, first you need to download WhatsApp Business from the Google Play Store. Install and open it. Click on Agree and Continue. Now you have to register your number. You can either use the existing one if that is what you are using for your business, or use a different one. Type the number and press Next. Now WhatsApp will send you the 6-digit code which will be detected automatically. And once the number is verified, you can go ahead and give it access to your media and contacts. If you had previously backed up to Google Drive and want to restore that, you can go ahead and do that. And now you have to add your business name and category. You can also add a description and a business address. And once you've done that, go ahead and click on Next. And this is how you create your WhatsApp business account. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.